Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. In today's video we are going to talk about a very useful feature in Android phone called repair mode. If you have ever taken your phone to a repair shop, you may have worried about your personal photos, messages or app being accessed. Repair mode was designed to solve exactly that problem. Let's understand how it works and why it's important. First, what is the repair mode? Repair mode is a special privacy feature available in some Android phones. It allows you to send your phone to repair while keeping your personal data safe and hidden. When repair mode is activated, the technician can test the phone's hardware and basic functions, but they can't access your private data. That means your photos, messages, contacts, apps, and files remain locked and invisible while the phone is being repaired. Now let's look at how repair mode actually works. When you enable repair mode, your phone temporarily creates a separate system environment. In this environment, the phone behaves like a fresh device with limited access. Only basic system apps are visible, and all personal data is hidden. Think if it like a guest mode designed especially for phone repairs. This allows technicians to test things like touch screen functionality, camera performance, battery health, speakers and microphone network connectivity, but they can't open your gallery, read your messages, or access your personal app. Another important thing is that repair mode usually requires your screen lock or password to activate. This ensures that only the device owner can enable or disable this feature. Now let's go through the basic steps to enable repair mode. First, open Settings on your Android phone. Now scroll down and tap Battery and Device Care or Device Care, depending on your phone brand. Then look for repair mode. Tap on it and allow the instructions. Your phone will restart and enter repair mode. Once the repair is finished and you get your phone back, you simply exit repair mode by entering your password. After that, your phone returns to normal and all your data becomes visible again. This feature is especially helpful when sending your phone to service center or third-party repair shops. Instead of packing up and deleting everything on your phone, you can just activate repair mode. However, keep in mind that not all Android devices support this feature yet. It's currently available on certain models for companies like Samsung, Google, and other manufacturers that use newer version of Android. If your phone doesn't have repair mode, you may still want to back up your data and perform a factory reset before sending it for repair. Thank you and waiting for next video.